So my name is Eugene and I'm the manager of Goldwagen Randburg. I would say this branch is unique in the sense that it's existed a long time. I think we were one of the first stores, first couple of stores that actually opened. We've got more stuff for the older cars, which guys actually travel to us to get that stuff. Old Beetle stuff, the old Golf 1 stuff, we still keep a lot of that stuff. So I think that's what makes the store very unique. Old Beetle tappet cover, something that brand new stock, never been used. Seeing as Randburg has existed for quite a while, when the newer stores started opening up in the area, a lot of the guys started training at the store to move over to the new stores. So to get them experienced in running a store, they actually worked here as salesmen, as pickers, and then they move up to either a better position or actually manage the stores.
My name is Simon Dippenaar and I'm a counter manager at Goldwagen Randburg, selling parts. The thing I love about my job is going to be the customers. The amount of people we get in here, the amount of people we meet, get to share thoughts and share parts and, share the experience with them. That's what I like about it. Yeah.
From when I started at this store, even if you see outside, the parking lot outside, that was a second-hand car dealer. We've actually expanded to the point where we've got so many customers that we actually had to expand our parking lot out for people to have parking. If you go to the back of the store, from where we started was a small shop on the one end of the building where there were a few shops in between us. We've actually grown into those other shops and gone a level up. So this is one of the first shops we actually took over. We moved into this because we needed the space to put our stock. So as you can see, the stock range grew very quickly and quite a lot. We do quite a few things here. Upstairs, we've got more of the bigger items. All our suspension components and drivetrain components. What I love about my job is helping people, helping workshops that get stuck with a few technical issues. I'm quite good at that, the technical side of things, so I can help a few customers and also fixing a problem that somebody else couldn't figure out. I like that. That's pretty much it from Goldwagen Randburg, and yeah, it's a very special thing to be part of a good brand like Goldwagen. I'm really proud about that, and I think Goldwagen in the future is going to grow spectacularly.